Welcome to our guide on how to organize your digital photos. Whether you're a casual snapper or a passionate photographer, keeping your digital library in order is essential. First things first, you'll need to choose the right storage solution for your photos. You can go with external hard drives, cloud storage options, or a combination of both. Creating a folder structure will make it easy to navigate through your images. Consider organizing by year, event, or even by family members. Using consistent naming conventions for your files will help you find what you are looking for much quicker. Try using dates and descriptions in your file names. Incorporating tags and metadata into your photos enhances searchability. Tag your images with relevant keywords to make finding them a breeze. Regularly backing up your photo library is a must. Schedule backups to ensure you never lose those cherished memories. Consider utilizing photo management software and apps to help streamline the organization process. Tools like Adobe Lightroom or Google Photos can make managing your collection much easier. Set aside time regularly for maintenance and updates. Even just 30 minutes a month can keep your library in tip-top shape. Don't forget to declutter your photo collection. Regularly review and delete duplicates or blurry images to keep things tidy. Now that you have the tools to organize your digital photos, it's time to take action. Start today and enjoy a more organized and stress-free photo collection.